Once upon a time, the media industry controlled what people watched, when they watched it, and how they watched it. Television channels decided prime time. Newspapers decided headlines. Radio decided which voices would be heard. If you wanted fame, influence, or money, you had to pass through these powerful gatekeepers. Then YouTube arrived, and slowly, quietly, it changed everything. YouTube didn't look dangerous at first. It was just a website where people uploaded funny videos, low-quality clips, and random personal moments. Traditional media laughed at it. Big TV networks didn't take it seriously. But while they were laughing, audiences were leaving. People realized they no longer needed to wait for the 9 p.m. news or a weekly show. Content was available anytime, anywhere, for free. The first big damage YouTube caused was attention loss. Television survives on attention. Newspapers survive on attention. Advertisers pay where attention goes. YouTube captured attention by offering endless content, tailored to individual interests. Instead of one show for millions of people, YouTube offered millions of shows for one person. The algorithm learned what you liked and fed you more of it. Traditional media could never compete with that level of personalization. Then came the creators. Ordinary people with no media background started gaining millions of views. No studio, no producer, no permission needed. A teenager with a phone could reach more people than a national TV channel. This completely broke the media hierarchy. Journalists, actors, presenters, and anchors were no longer special by default. The audience decided who mattered, not the industry. Advertising was the next major collapse. Brands realized they could spend less money and get better results on YouTube. Instead of paying huge amounts for TV commercials, they could sponsor a YouTuber with a loyal audience. Small creators started earning more than experienced TV professionals. Traditional media revenues dropped sharply, leading to layoffs, budget cuts, and declining content quality. YouTube also destroyed the concept of scarcity. Earlier, media time was limited. A newspaper had limited pages. A TV channel had limited hours. YouTube has infinite space. Anyone can upload anything at any time. This flooded the market with content. While this democratized voices, it also devalued professionalism. High-budget journalism now competes with reaction videos, opinions, and rumors uploaded in minutes. Another major blow was speed. YouTube reacts faster than traditional media. Breaking news, live reactions, analysis, and commentary appear instantly. By the time newspapers print or TV confirms a story, YouTube has already shaped public opinion. This forced traditional media to rush content, sometimes sacrificing accuracy just to stay relevant. YouTube also changed trust. People began trusting individuals more than institutions. A familiar face speaking directly to the camera felt more honest than a polished news anchor. Whether that trust was deserved or not didn't matter. Emotional connection replaced editorial credibility. This weakened the authority of traditional media and made fact-checking harder. Then came the algorithm. It rewards engagement, not responsibility. Sensational titles, extreme opinions, and controversy get more views. Traditional media, bound by rules and ethics, couldn't compete with creators who optimized purely for clicks. Slowly, serious journalism started losing visibility, while entertainment and outrage dominated feeds. Finally, YouTube changed expectations. Audiences no longer want long ads, fixed schedules, or one-way communication. They want control, interaction, and instant feedback. Traditional media was built for a different era. By the time it tried to adapt, YouTube had already won. YouTube didn't destroy the media industry overnight. It didn't attack it directly. It simply offered something better, faster, cheaper, and more personal. The audience followed, the money followed, and the power followed. The media industry wasn't killed by YouTube, it was replaced by it.